Question 1. She blank to school every day. Correct option is option B, goes. She goes to school every day. Question 2. They blank playing cricket now. Correct option is option B, are. They are playing cricket now. Question 3. I blank a letter yesterday. Correct option is option B, wrote. I wrote a letter yesterday. Question 4. He is blank honest man. Correct option is option B, an. He is an honest man. Question 5. This is blank book I told you about. Correct option is option C, the. This is the book I told you about. Question 6. My brother blank not like tea. Correct option is option B, does. My brother does not like tea. Question 7. There blank many students in the class. Correct option is option B, are. There are many students in the class. Question 8. She sings blank than her sister. Correct option is option B, better. She sings better than her sister. Question 9. He is the blank boy in the class. Correct option is option C, tallest. He is the tallest boy in the class. Question 10. I have blank my homework. Correct option is option C, done. I have done my homework. Question 11. Ali and I blank good friends. Correct option is option C, are. Ali and I are good friends. Question 12. The sun blank in the east. Correct option is option B, rises. The sun rises in the east. Question 13. She blanked TV when I called her. Correct option is option B, was watching. She was watching TV when I called her. Question 14. Please give the pen to blank. Correct option is option B, me. Please give the pen to me. Question 15. This is blank house. Correct option is option C, our. This is our house. 16. He runs very blank. Correct option is option B, quickly. He runs very quickly. Question 17. We blank leave now. Correct option is option A, must. We must leave now. Question 18. Blank, you help me please? Correct option is option A, can. Can you help me please? 19. She has blank her lunch. Correct option is option B, finished. She has finished her lunch. Question 20. I saw two blank in the garden. Correct option is option C, children. I saw two children in the garden. Question 21. All the blank are very sharp. Correct option is option B, knives. All the knives are very sharp. Question 22. He did not blank anything. Correct option is option A, say. He did not say anything. Question 23. They will blank tomorrow. Correct option is option B, come. They will come tomorrow. Question 24. She is blank intelligent girl. Correct option is option B, Anne. She is an intelligent girl. Question 25. Neither of the boys blank present. Correct option is option B, was. Neither of the boys was present. Question 26. I am waiting blank my friend. Correct option is option A, for. I am waiting for my friend. Question 27. It blank raining since morning. Correct option is option B, has been. It has been raining since morning. Question 28. He is taller blank his brother. Correct option is option B, then. He is taller than his brother. Question 29. Hurry up blank, you will miss the bus. Correct option is option B, or. Hurry up or you will miss the bus. Question 30. She is poor blank honest. Correct option is option A, but. She's poor but honest. Question 31. You are a teacher blank. Correct option is option B, aren't you? You are a teacher, aren't you? Question 32. Let's go out blank. Correct option is option A, shall we? Let's go out, shall we? Question 34. The boy blank won the prize is my cousin. Correct option is option B, who? The boy who won the prize is my cousin. Question 35. This is the book blank I bought. Correct option is option B, which. This is the book which I bought. Question 36. Each student blank a new book. Correct option is option B, his. Each student has a new book. Question 37. He was born blank 1990. Correct option is option B, in. He was born in 1990. Question 38. My mother blank cooking now. Correct option is option A, is. My mother is cooking now. Question 39. I blank my keys yesterday. Correct option is option B, lost. I lost my keys yesterday. Question 40. If it rains, we blank stay at home. Correct option is option A, will. If it's rain, we will stay at home. Question 41. He speaks English blank. Correct option is option B, fluently. He speaks English fluently. Question 42. She bought blank apples. Correct option is option B, some. She bought some apples. Question 43. There isn't blank milk in the glass. Correct option is option B, any. There isn't any milk in the glass. Question 44. How blank money do you have? Correct option is option B, much. How much money do you have? Question 45. She has blank friends in the city. Correct option is option B, many. She has many friends in the city. Question 46. The letter blank written by him. Correct option is option A, was. The letter was written by him. Question 47. They blanked to Lahore last week. Correct option is option B, went. They went to Lahore last week. Question 48. Please blank the door. Correct option is option B, open. Please open the door. Question 49. He is used to blank early. Correct option is option B, waking. He is used to waking early. Question 50. The cat is sleeping blank the chair. Correct option is option A, on. The cat is sleeping on the chair.
If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.